Hey all, hope you're good. Welcome to my channel Cerebral Liquidity. In today's video, I'm going to create a view on top of the file which is present uh, in DBFS. So, which stands for Databricks File System. So, let's begin. So, when you will go to DBFS, we have few files present. So, we will gonna load the processed Parquet unload that we generated in our previous video. So, please have a watch on it. So let's begin. So we have created the notebook of Python type, and let's read the Parquet load that we have generated. Okay, and let's copy the path also. It's inside file store tables, loads path, and okay. Now let's also display the content. Okay, so here you can see the content of processed Parquet file. Okay, now we can create the view using we can see a click if you press tab after create, you will see different types of views. Create global temp view, create or replace global temp view, create or replace temp view, or create temp view. So we are gonna show first the temp view. Okay, and let's give a name, v underscore agent. Okay, and now let's run. So you can see our view is successfully created. I've used create or replace temp view because if the view is already created, it will delete it and create a new one. Okay, now let's view the content of the view v underscore agent. For that we will use our magic command, select star from v underscore agent. Okay, here you can see we are our temporary view has been successfully created and we are able to view the content from a view. So what's the difference between the temp view and global view? So in temp view, um, so our temp view is only available till the our Spark session is active, or the notebook is active. When our uh, cluster gets stopped and or it's destroyed, the temporary view that you have created is also destroyed. Okay, so now let's show whether the our view is being listed in show tables command or not. Show tables. Okay, here you can see we have a table v agent and it's temporary of temporary type. Now also let's create a global temporary view. Let's give a name gv underscore agent. Okay, okay, and click on shift enter, and now let's again iterate to check whether our global temporary view is created or not. um, it shows it's not found. Why so? uh, okay, yeah. So our uh, our our global temporary view gets created in a schema uh, which is global underscore temp in global underscore temp. So inside so when you will list this, you can see our view is created inside the database global temp. Okay, So you can iterate using global temp dot database dot table name, and here you can see the output of our global view. So in global view, even if your cluster gets stopped and ran again, your view will be created and it's not destroyed and is accessible within the same cluster that you have created. If you created another cluster, so you are not able to see the content of the global view. We can also use uh, uh, Spark commands to also view. So we will use spark.sql, uh, yeah, and pass the SQL query. Yeah, so it's the alternative of your magic command. And here there is, yeah. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.